Good, man. Good. Really
My
good.
name's Garrett. I'm going to be doing your video today. So I hear it's your birthday.
Next week it is, actually.
Next week. All right. Well, you going to come back again for your birthday? Your real birthday?
Well, I mean, not on that day, but I definitely will come back, depending on how I come back from this jump.
We'll just take it one jump at a time, right? We'll see how this one goes.
Absolutely.
All right, man. Well, you came to SkyDive Air Adventures. Good choice.
Thank you.
We'll take care of you on your birthday. Here's our plane out here. Did you take a look at that yet?
Yeah, looks good.
All right, man. It's going to be taking us up there. And then, I don't know, man. We're going to jump out of it. Isn't that crazy?
Yeah, jumping out of a perfectly good plane.
Yeah, there's no such thing as a perfect plane, you know? It's safer to get out of it than it is to land in it.
Okay.
All right, man. Well, we're just waiting on your instructor, John. He's got you suited up there.
Yep.
And sounds like about 10 minutes we'll be on the plane.
Cool.
All right, man. Hey, let's go have some fun, buddy.
All right, definitely.
All right.
I wanna feel what I thought was never real. I wanna let go of the pain I felt so long. Erase all the pain till it's gone. I wanna heal, I wanna feel like I'm close to something real. I wanna find something I wanted all along. Somewhere I belong. And I've got nothing to say. I can't believe I didn't fall right down on my face. I was confused, looking everywhere, only to find that it's not the way I had imagined it all in my mind. So what do I have but negativity? Cause I can't justify the way everyone is looking at me. Nothing to gain, hollow and alone. And the fault is my own, and the fault is my own. I wanna heal, I wanna feel what I thought was never real. I wanna let go of the pain I felt so long. Erase all the pain till it's gone. I wanna heal, I wanna feel like I'm close to something real. I wanna find something I wanted all along. Somewhere I belong. I will never know myself until I do this on my own. And I will never feel anything else until my wounds are healed. I will never make anything till I break away from me. I will break away, I'll find myself today. I wanna heal, I wanna feel what I thought was never real. I wanna let go of the pain I felt so long. Erase all the pain till it's gone. I wanna heal, I wanna feel like I'm close to something real. I wanna find something I wanted all along.
All right, man. We're about halfway there. How you feeling right now?
Feeling good, feeling good.
Yeah?
A little nervous, but ready.
You ever been up this high before?
Never.
Never? Now you're going to jump out? All right, man. We got the pilot taking care of us up there. John's getting ready to go in the back. Hey, man. Let's go have a fun skydive, all right?
All right.
Happy birthday, too.
Birthday, man.
Yeah, man.
Woo! Woo! To make you like it. To make you like it. You say if I'm just a new sound, the shit's loaded and they're ready to go. I'm big too much, just like the old sound. Already heard it for the 100th time. 100 more of the same sound, running around with all the shit that you know. It's so sublime, they're breaking new ground. They should have another hit this time tomorrow.
that, man.
Awesome.
Think you might try that one again?
Absolutely.
So it was a good birthday, huh?
Very good.
You know, it's only $99 next time, right?
Oh, cool.
That's good for a year. All right, you ready to have some fun?
Yeah.
All right, let both arms all the way up. Woo! All right, pull down with that left one as hard as you can. Hard as you can. There you go. Stand up.
All right, Santiago, good jump. All right, man, how was that?
Awesome.
Get up. There you go. High five, dude. Nice flying. Good
Right.
jump.
Cool.
So what was your favorite part?
Oh, the jumping off the airplane.
Yeah? Quite a rush,
Happy birthday, man.
Thanks.
Congratulations. Let's
Thank
get a
you.
photo here.
huh? All right. Happy birthday, dude. Thanks for celebrating it with us, man. I appreciate
Thanks.
it.
That was so cool.
We hope to see you back
Hey.
soon.
I'm on back to back. Where's my student and my rig?
All right, man. Have a good one.
All right.